Well, it's been 2 years since the rollout of the easy-to-remember 988 suicide and crisis lifeline. And while millions of Americans have called, texted, and chatted with counselors, officials say many others don't know this help is out there. Starting this weekend, there's a new tradition aimed at raising awareness of the lifeline and erasing the stigma around mental health support. In today's Health Minute, Mandy Gaither has more on the first ever 988 day.
What's going on?
In the 2 years since the 988 Lifeline switched to an easier to remember 3-digit number, officials say more than 10 million texts, calls, and chats have been answered.
That's quite a high number that lets us know that there are people that are in need of this service.
Monica Johnson, director of the 988 Crisis Coordinating Office, says many don't know they can dial 3 numbers to get one-on-one mental health help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Calls are answered by counselors and more than 200 crisis contact centers across the U.S.
Whether that's a mental health crisis, people experiencing depression, anxiety, people having concerns about substance misuse, and et cetera. So it's for any type of crisis.
That's why Sunday, September 8th, or 9/8, has become 988 Day to raise awareness for the Lifeline, which expanded last year to include services for Spanish speakers, LGBTQI+ youth and young adults, and for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, video phone contacts in American Sign Language. Veterans, service members, and their families can also call 988 and press option 1 for support geared specifically to them.
We want people to know that this exists. We know that it saved lives, and we want people to just spread the word.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
September is also National Suicide Prevention Month. Suicide is among the leading causes of death in the U.S. and affects people of all ages, but help and resources are available through the Lifeline. Again, you could call or text 988.